Today we're going to test how the Panasonic AG-AC90 handles wind noise. To do that, we're going to use this fan right here. First we'll test it without the built-in wind noise canceller. And then we'll go ahead and turn the built-in wind noise canceller on. And then we're going to use this product. It's called a stick-on WindCutter, and it's just a kind of a furry thing with a stick-on adhesive, and you simply stick it on directly over the built-in mic. Okay, let's start the test. Here's the WindCutter stuck onto the camera, and as you could hear, it does a fantastic job. No wind noise at all. The only thing you heard was the hum of the motor from the fan.